Well, it was a decent quarter from Wipro this time around, largely in line with expectation to actually slightly better on the operating basis, because the dollar revenue was in line with expectation at $2,650 million thereabout. The rupee revenue was also broadly in line at around 22,080 crore rupees coming in, a little below the expectation. Margins, however, were better. The margin performance came in at 16.4% versus our expectation of 16%, and that's why the profitability is also looking healthy. The other good news coming in is, of course, the kind of growth that the company has delivered in terms of the bookings as well, because if you look at the overall booking number that has come in this quarter, it's $3.6 billion, largely in line with what we have seen in terms of the average as well. The attrition has come off a bit. Yes, on a quarter-on-quarter basis, there is a dip in headcount, but that's something that we have seen across the board with all the IT companies, so this is not very surprising. The constant currency decline this quarter was around 0.3% versus our expectation of a decline of 0.4%, so broadly in line with expectations. What's actually important to note is the kind of commentary coming in for the coming quarter, and there the company is guided for a downside of 1.5% to a growth of around 0.5%. Street was factoring in -1 to +1 kind of performance, so smidge below that. But given the fact that the performance from the rest of the IT peers has been weak and the commentary hasn't really elevated yet, maybe this is something that the street will take well, and that's why they're talking about revenue of around 2.6 billion to 2.67 billion in the coming quarters. So that's something to watch out for. So overall, a decent set coming in given the environment and the performance of the peers.
If you like this video, then like, share and subscribe to ET Now.